At the request of a viewer, this is more of a quick tip than a tutorial. A viewer asked how I could sew a blanket stitch on my serger. This serger does not have any converter to allow it to sew only 2 threads. It has to use either 3 or 4 threads. So to make something that looks like a blanket stitch, this is how I set it up. These are the adjustments on the side. I'm using the widest width, and depending on your project, you can either have the cutting blade left up or locked down. I have the blade locked down for this demo. Make sure that the finger arm is in place. I took the right needle out, so I'm only using the left one. The needle tension, I left it standard. I switched the upper looper to max tension. I switched the lower looper to least tension. Because of this, the lower looper thread is pulled to the needle side, giving a blanket stitch effect. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you like these videos, and don't forget to hit the bell since I do not upload on a regular basis. Thanks for watching.